Hello guys, we'll be talking about the KLINK Finance. So this is Crypto Insider and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe, and if you've not joined my Telegram channel, do well to join it to get a lot of information about airdrops and waitlists. So about the KLINK Finance, we're going over to the X page. Let's know what it's all about. So this is the X page. You can see over here, you can see KLINK TGE coming soon. So he said the KLINK Finance is an AI-powered infrastructure for Web3 earnings. So, and you can actually start this airdrop with $0 investment. So also knows that this airdrop it happens both on the Telegram mini app and it has an app on Play Store concurrently. So the links to the Telegram mini app and the link to download the app on Play Store will be in my description. So this airdrop is ending very soon. It has been there for almost a month, and as you can see, he said as we approach our February TGE, we're excited to release the KLINK light paper. So we don't really have so much time to farm this, but we'll see what we can do. So join through the link on my description, acquire as much points as possible through the guide I'll be showing you. As the KLINK Finance is taking over, and you can see Web3 earnings are booming with KLINK, and they have 1 million mini app users and 500k app downloads. So join, do all the tasks, get as much points as possible, share your referral link, and let's see how much points you can get before the TGE that's coming up this month. So let's dive into the app. So we'll be signing up. We don't have an account yet. So the link to download this app will be in my description. So you can decide to switch. I think I'll prefer to use dark mode. So let's sign up. So I don't fill in our details. Then you have to verify your email. So you go over to your email, the email you used to register to get the code. So the email is also very important because that's what you will link to your Telegram app. So after putting in the verification code, you have to set up a PIN. So do it, set up a PIN that is very secure. So this is the dashboard So we're about to get your first airdrop point. So you click here. So this is the tasks. So perform all these tasks, set up your profile so you're able to get all these points. So learn how KLINK works. So I've gotten the points for learning how KLINK works. So once you click at see all tasks, so to bring you to this page, KLINK airdrop has begun. So collect points for inviting friends. So this is where you invite friends. So my link will be in the description for you to click. You can also share yours as well. So this is the app points, this is the Telegram points. But Telegram points, we have to connect the app to Telegram first for us to be able to earn Telegram points. So we're showing us how to connect it to Telegram. Other milestones: if you deposit at least $100 to your wallet, you'll be able to get 100,000 points. But this is not compulsory, but still endeavor to do it if you have up to 100,000. But you can deposit it and also withdraw it. They're not going to use it for anything. So let's join the KLINK Telegram mini app and let's link it. So this is the Telegram mini app. You can make sure to connect your main KLINK account via email verification to collect your KLINK tokens after TGE. So it's very important to create an account. Let's launch. So welcome to KLINK airdrop pool 1. Launch app. So this is it. This is the Telegram mini app. So the first thing we'll be doing is to register the KLINK account. So this involves us connecting the app that we just downloaded from Play Store. So if you already signed up, so you just have to do is to connect an account over here. So here you'll be putting in the email you use to register for the KLINK app, then log in. You can see accounts connected. Click below to be redirected to your KLINK app. So I'm going to go ahead to claim this point, 500,000 points, for logging into and connecting my app. So the most important thing here is, interesting thing here is I can also earn points on the Telegram mini app and earn points on the Play Store app. Do how to link both and get points on both sides. Finish all the tasks so you can get as much points before the TGE that will be happening this month. So let's go back to the app. So you can also complete this task when you are free, but endeavor to do it as soon as possible, because we don't know when the TGE is going to be, but it has been scheduled to be this month. Now, so let's go back to Airdrop. Here over at Airdrop, you can click to start mining. So every possible way for you to earn points, do well to earn points. You have to complete all the tasks to start mining points. Currently I have 526,000 points. To complete all the 24 tasks over here at tasks, first man points. Then over here at referrals, you can see a referral must complete tasks for it to count. So once you invite a friend, the friend you invite must complete a task for you to receive a point. So this is where you copy your referral link. Is it? So mine will be in the description. So this is also where you get to tap and also increase your points. So in every way possible for you to gain points, do it. So let's go back to the app. So this is it. So I've connected my KLINK Telegram mini app. So let's verify. It has verified and it has counted that I've gotten, can say, Telegram points at the points I have on my Telegram, as I showed us. So the app points. You can be getting points both ways. So sign up on and complete KYC on Gate to get 100,000 points. Then complete account setup to get 10,000 points. So do all these tasks. Daily checking gives you 5,000. So over here as a performance, you will see both your app, the airdrop points on the app and the airdrop points on the Telegram page. Then this is what you earn daily. Points earned from quests, then from swaps, and then this is from completed referrals. This is the leaderboard. This is the board where you get to see where you are currently positioned for this airdrop. So let's go back. So over here for friend, this is where you get to see your referral link too for the app. So you can get to refer persons on the app and also on the Telegram mini app. So you copy your referral link. So mine will be on my description page. So endeavor to do all these tasks, complete as much task as possible, copy your link, refer friends, and fold our hands and wait for a TGE to happen. So thank you for watching this video. Don't procrastinate. Subscribe, share, and get involved in this airdrop. My Telegram channel will be in the description. Also do also join my Telegram channel to get as much opportunities and crypto information as possible. See you next time.